The story of this clock is interesting. Liz and I own a little piece of land at a place called Bear Lake on the Utah-Idaho border. Has great sentimental value to her. Her family's owned it for like over 100 years, and she grew up going there, and we're going to try and build a little cabin there. I'm going to call it Lizzie's Lake House. Anyway, there was a big, huge juniper tree right in the middle of what will be our living room, we hope. This juniper tree and the land we have comes from a campground that Liz's father Dick ran for years called Cedars and Shade, so it has double meaning. Anyway, I went on the internet and I was looking under, things I could make out of juniper, and I came across this fabulous clock made by a guy named Dan at DP Custom Works. I also put his link in the additional information. This is a fabulous clock. It's made out of steel, and that needs to be blued, and then there's a lot of grinding and sanding and lots of polyurethane. This was really fun to make, and I think it's going to be a wonderful addition. I just finished sawing this out. I'm going to try and, I think this is what I'm going to try and make the clock out of. And I got a whole bunch of smaller limbs I trimmed up, and see if this works or not.